For lesson 112, we're going to be multiplying and dividing integers. So, something to help you out here. If we're multiplying a positive times a positive, or a negative times a negative, our answer is going to be positive. Okay? So, when we're multiplying, if our sign's the same, it's going to be positive. If our sign is different, it's going to be negative. Now, when we're dividing, if our sign's the same, once again, it's going to be positive. If our signs are different, so it's positive divided by negative or negative divided by positive, our answer is going to be negative. So when we're multiplying and dividing, if our signs are the same, it's going to be positive. If our signs are different, it's going to be negative. So in order to calculate these, if we look at A through A, C, E, and G, these four over here, it's all multiplication. So when I'm multiplying integers, so a positive and a negative number, positive, positive, negative, negative, whatever, the first thing I'm going to do is just multiply my numbers. So if you look, all of these are going to end in, well, 8 times 4, which is 32. Okay, so I have my answers down on the bottom. Okay. Now I just have to figure out if it's positive or negative. So remember, if the signs are the same, if the signs are the same, it's positive. If the signs are different, it's negative. So we look at the first one. Okay. Both are the same, so it should be a positive 32. For C, signs are different, so it should be negative 32. E, signs are different, it should be negative. G, signs are the same, should be positive. So if I check my answers down here, it should have positive, negative, negative, positive. Okay. Now if I look at the division problems over here. Okay. Notice how it's all 8 divided by 4. It doesn't matter what the signs right now. 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2. So if I look, I have 2 for all my answers. Okay. So now I just have to figure out if it's positive or negative. If the signs are the same, it's positive. If the signs are different, it's negative. So here, the signs are the same, it's going to be a positive 2. For D, signs are different, it's going to be negative 2. F, signs are different, negative 2. H, signs are the same, it's going to be a positive 2. If I double check my answers, they line up. So when we're multiplying or dividing integers, first, just multiply your numbers. Doesn't matter if it's positive or negative, just multiply the numbers, or divide the numbers. And then if the signs are the same, it's positive. If the signs are different, it's negative. So go ahead, do the practice set. Make sure you bring any questions you have to class.